G'day, so today we're going to take you through a recent purchase we've made for our Jayco Caravan. It's to help improve storage in our van. So we've purchased some storage pockets from Drop Bear Storage in Victoria, and we're going to walk you through those today and show you how we install them, how we use them and what we think. Okay, so we're going to talk you through our purchases that we did make. So we purchased two of these square pockets. They're 40 by 40 centimetres. They have a 20 centimetre pocket with elastic. They're made out of a leatherette, and they've got a bit of foam padding in it, and they're really nice and lightweight. Plenty of different colour options. I think there's 5 or 6 options. These recommended retail is $87. And if I flip it over, I'll show you how you install it on the back. So it's double-sided tape with the Velcro, and the base Velcro has been stitched in and is also held in with staples as well, so it's not going to go anywhere. So that's that one. Then we also bought two of these mini ones. Now, these are going to go in the boys' bunks. These are $42, and they've also got a pocket as well. And the dimensions of these ones are 27 by 20 centimetres. And also for the boys in their bunk area, we bought these drink bottle holders. Nice and easy. I don't know about your kids, but our kids love being hydrated during the night. And this one recommended retail is $34. Okay, so we're going to show you how to install these now. We've gone ahead and installed one already. Prior to installing them, you want to make sure your wall's nice and clean, give it a bit of a wipe down, make sure it's dry, free from dust or any grease and grime. And we've also gone ahead and used some tape to line up the second one so that we can get it nice and even towards the other one. I'm not quite sure I'd be good at eyeballing that one, so we're going to use the tape. So all you got to do is peel off the tape from your Velcro. One of those, two of those. And now we're just going to line it up where we want it on the wall. And we're going to press that on there. You're just going to go around and press it all the way on. Give a good firm press. And you're done. And the good thing is, if you do muck this up, this step up, you just be able to pull it back off and position it, so that it's nice and even or to your liking. So there you have it, guys. A nice, easy, simple storage solution for any caravan. We're not affiliated or sponsored by Drop Bear Storage, but we just wanted to give them a shout out, Australian company, and we support Australian companies, and we just wanted to share that with you. And we recommend the product, really good quality, really easy to install. And even if you do muck it up, you can just pull it off and put it back on and straighten it up. Anyway, we're going to leave the link in the description below where you can purchase these online yourself. And also if you've got any questions or comments, chuck them down there as well. And until next time, thanks for watching.